What can you buy with Bitcoin? Be smart and spend your Bitcoins. Bitcoin has risen as a measure of wealth over the last decade and has undergone improvements to optimize its transaction computing functionality. As a result, several companies now accept Bitcoin (BTC) as a form of payment, both in person and online. Despite having greater charges than most other virtual currencies, BTC can be useful for bigger exchanges, particularly given its excellent stability. For a long time, the Bitcoin Society hoped that cryptocurrency would become a suitable option for many of the industry's centralized payment systems. However, BTC is nowadays used mainly as a long-term investment similar to gold or stocks. You'll wish to spend your Bitcoin at some moment, but where can you barter it for products and services? Number 8. Cars. While Tesla made the news in May 2021 when company owner Elon Musk declared that the corporation would no longer take Bitcoin as a transaction procedure, the used automotive industry has long been Bitcoin approachable. Bitcars is an example of a digital dealership that resells expensive cars of all types, including Teslas, with offerings priced in Bitcoin. So, if you ever feel the need for speed, you can buy a Lamborghini Hurricane from Bitcar's website. If you have a direction to transport a car from the United Kingdom, you can also purchase a BMW with Bitcoins, but you'll have to walk through third-party premises. Number 7. Socks. True, Bitcoins can be used to keep your feet warm. For example, MT Socks sells a wide range of one-of-a-kind socks that can be purchased with Bitcoins. If you're looking for a sock swap, the Unisocks exchange allows you to buy and sell socks with virtual money. To get started, you'll need to link your digital wallet. Number 6. Real estate. Property investment with Bitcoin is still somewhat strange 4 years later. The fact that London's most costly apartment could be purchased for Bitcoin hit the news articles in 2021, but it is now a far less difficult challenge. This is due to the emergence of a number of cryptocurrency-specific estate agents. They include the Swiss consulting company BitHome, which outlines a variety of houses for sale in Europe, the USA, and Asia for Bitcoin. WeWork, a famous office sharing and property investment business in the United States, now acknowledges Bitcoin as a transaction method via BitPay. Number 5. Electronic devices. Are you searching for electronics? Consider taking your Bitcoins to Newegg, a website that allows individuals to pay straightforwardly from their Bitcoin wallet. You won't be confined to PCs and software because Newegg decided to sell anything from gaming chairs to drones. Newegg even sells pressure washers and dishwashers. Number 4. Traveling. As the tourism industry reopens, Bitcoin can be utilized to reserve flights and accommodations all over the planet. Are you prepared for a vacation? Make use of your Bitcoins. Numerous airline companies such as Cheap Air now receive Bitcoin transactions. You may also buy your ticket with Expedia, which acknowledges Bitcoin. When you show up at your vacation spot, your crypto payment options do not end. A growing amount of hotels are now approving Bitcoin. So think about going to Vegas if you really wish to spend your Bitcoin. Bitcoin ATMs can be found throughout the city. Number 3. Video games. Previously, you had to go to a physical shop to buy a computer game. However, most video game players now buy online. Video games like virtual currencies are becoming a virtual acquisition. As a result, it's only normal for more and more top game selling platforms to take Bitcoin. Xbox. Expect to be paid for gameplay, add-ons, and Xbox Live memberships with Bitcoin. Humble Bundle is an online shop that donates a portion of its profits to charitable organizations. Big Fish Games is a Seattle, Washington-based casual games developer. Number 2. A college diploma. King's College in New York City started receiving Bitcoin for tutoring in 2014. Following that, a few other school systems began receiving Bitcoin as payment. However, you are not required to utilize your digital wallet to pay off the balance. Numerous teenagers and their family members keep investing in Bitcoin and then withdraw when it comes time to pay. You can also engage in Bitcoin after graduation and use the proceeds to pay off any college debt you accrued while in college. However, the strategy has a few drawbacks, such as the danger that Bitcoin's price will fall while tuition costs will keep going up. Number 1. Art collections. Following the non-fungible coin surge seeping into the globe of fine art, High-profile auction houses have begun to receive Bitcoin as a payment option. Verisart has created a foundation that allows artists to easily receive cryptocurrency, so your favorite local artist might be inclined to set it up for your transactions. There is also a lengthy list of art museums in the United States that receive Bitcoin as payment for artwork. In addition, the list of galleries in the United States that recognize Bitcoin as a billing technique is also growing, though it is presently focused on the East and West Coasts. It's now simpler than ever to utilize your Bitcoins without having to cash them out. If you want to devote a few of the extra money in your wallet, you can either pick a vendor that acknowledges it or put it toward gift vouchers. There are numerous ways to spend your crypto regardless of whether you make purchases regionally or online. Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your suggestions and feedback in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.